revealed capacity up inside the new data center production line. The total floor area of our data center switch production workshop is approximately 1,000 square meters, including assembly and testing areas, aging tester room, rapid temperature change test room, packing line. Each area serves a different function. 220-meter double speed chain pallet conveyor lines. It can assemble and produce high-speed switches or server products from 1U to 4U. All areas are equipped with ESOP and connected to the MES system. The testing area has 6 functional test stations. It is equipped with self-developed test scripts for high-speed switches, covering all functional tests of the products. All test processes are recorded and traceable. Burn in-room maintains a constant temperature of around 50 degrees Celsius. It can run burn in tests on up to 120 units simultaneously. It can also perform high-speed traffic testing. The 2 rapid temperature change test chambers can achieve a maximum ramp rate of 15 degrees Celsius per minute. The standard test temperature range is set to cycle between -10 degrees Celsius and +50 degrees Celsius. Each chamber can test up to 30 high-speed switches per run.